When you go up with weight, just make sure you're constantly keeping attention in the area that you're trying to train and develop. I think the hardest part sometimes is just training with no training partner. Because you got to hand yourself the weight, all that other bullshit. I could probably easily get 2 more reps just because somebody handed me the weight, but it is what it is. Certain circumstances just make you that much greater. I don't know how many I'm gonna get for these. We just trying them to try them because they ain't got hundreds. It is what it is. I guess I gotta step my game up. Let's get it. Was good enough, but like I said, this is, might as well say, week 2 of throwing dumbbells back into the program. I'm gonna do 1 more set of this. It's because I wanted to do at least 5. Couldn't do 5. I tell y'all, I like to do at least 6 sometimes. So I'm gonna do the 110s 1 more time, see how many I can get. In this scenario, definitely about to give myself a break, but always remember, make sure you set yourself up properly when you're approaching heavy weight. Do understand it is ego lifting if you pick up the weight and can't lift it, because that goes to show you don't know your limitations. Not saying that's a good thing, not saying that's a bad thing, but just be a little bit aware of that, you feel me? It's gonna be my last set. I'm gonna finish off. I told you I like to double back on the heavy sets just so my body can get acclimated to it. Like I said, when you go up with weight, just make sure you're constantly keeping attention in the area that you're trying to train and develop. It's so easy for the body to start recruiting other muscle groups to be able to get you through the exercise or the motion. But do understand that once we start engaging other areas, we're not fully keeping attention on the muscle that we're trying to train. So take the time to get comfortable with the weight, have your body memorize the weight. That's why I'm a big fan of making sure you feed your body the weight consistently, because all the body's gonna do is adapt. Once you take it away from the body, guess what? The body is no longer memorizing it anymore. It's very important to understand those small things, because at the end of the day, those can give you tremendous amount of progress if you use a lot of these tips that I'm giving you in the right manner. Like I said, this is what I'm here for. Make sure you soak up all this information. I ain't going nowhere, no time soon. I was on the gram for a minute. Now you're gonna see me on YouTube.